I won't be taking any more breaks. No fucking point. It's going to be shit whatever I do. I've still got two devils on my back, called the government and religion and royalty. Oh, sorry, I got three fucking evil soulless, parasite, paedophile, reptilian fucking monsters on my back now. With a devil AI. Total shit weekend. 185 quid petrol, 2 car crashes, £135 for a fucking shit night in a fucking horrible, evil, soulless fucking hotel full of fucking rich, fucking arrogant, fucking evil, heartless, soulless, selfish cunts. Couldn't even get a fucking drink in there without going through their fucking AI system and reception, puffed her.